How's it going, guys? This is Brian with American Steel Carports, and it's kind of a weird day here in Texas. We're actually in Argyle, Texas, and today it is super cold. It is like 50 degrees outside, which I know may not be, really cold in the areas that y'all are from, but here in Texas, just yesterday it was like 70 degrees, so it dropped quite a bit here in just like a span of a night. But just wanted to come on here and show you all this new building we have. We're actually not able to get directly to the building because the customer actually left their gate closed, and they have actually left the state. But they did allow us to fly the drone, so we'll be able to get you some drone shots of the whole building. And the building we're going to be looking at today is actually a 18 by 30 by 12, a garage. It's got an A-frame vertical roof, as well as vertical sides and vertical ends. It's going to be in the 12 gauge tubing that we offer. We do offer most of our buildings in the 14 gauge, but we do have an upgrade of 12 gauge if you prefer the heavier steel, or if your local HOA or building department requires you to have your building in 12 gauge instead of the 14 gauge. And then the customer decided to get that building in some very nice colors. A very nice color that we've been seeing a lot here lately is the burnished slate. And then they happen to get the roof in a black and the trim black as well. So the rest of the building is going to be the burnished slate. The lean-to itself is going to be an 8 wide, 30 feet long, and it connects at the building at 10 feet. The main structure is 12, so it does have a little bit of a drop down, but then the outside leg of that lean-to comes to 8 feet. So the outside legs are going to be 8 feet tall, still tall enough for, an average size human being to walk underneath it. And luckily, the customer also did happen to get some sidewall headers on that lean-to so that you can, stay in the main part of the building. And then once you're out underneath the lean-to, usually right there on the sides where the legs would be, and a base rail, that would be in your way. But this customer did happen to get some 8x7 sidewall headers so that he can easily get from underneath the lean-to and not have to use the end walls and go through the side here. The customer also did happen to get 34 by 82 inch Dutch walk-in door frame mount. Now, we at American Steel Carports here don't offer that walk-in door, but we do frame outs, which are basically openings that the customer requests to put on their structure. Now, we don't only have to do it for the doors. We can also do it for basically anything, that the customer needs. So if they're looking to do some custom windows or, just whatever kind of custom opening that they're looking to do to put in something later, or maybe just not even put a window, just have the opening itself, we can go ahead and do that. Just let American Steel know, what kind of opening you're looking to get, and we'll go ahead and make the opening on the building, wherever you need it. The customer also did happen to get the colored screws on this building, so everything matches. It looks really nice. The dark colors of everything. They also happen to do some custom windows as well. So we did some 3 by 4 feet window frameouts on this structure, and then the customer went ahead and put their own set of windows here. Look very nice. They pair very nice with all the other accessories that the customer happened to get on this building. As well as something that we did do is we have a 10 by 8 roll-up door here on this metal building. Now, a really nice thing about this roll-up door that the customer happens to get is that it comes in the color bronze. Now, normally here our roll-up doors on metal buildings come in white, but you can upgrade to a specific color, whatever color it still offers. This one does pair very nicely with everything else that the customer happened to get. The burnished slate and the black trim looks very nice. The customer also happened to get a header seal on that roll-up door, and I think now at American Steel Carports they actually do come standard. So whenever you order a roll-up door, you're going to get a header seal on that roll-up door. And as well as all around the building, we started to include foam enclosures. So that just provides a very nice seal, helps prevent from any critters or anything from getting inside your structure, as well as along the bottom. It just gives another protection, another layer of security from any water or anything else from coming in from the bottom as well. Now, the customer also did happen to get the complete anchor package on this metal building. Now, the good thing with American Steel Carports is that when you have a metal building and it's installed on a concrete slab or footers or anything of that nature, we are always going to include the necessary amount of anchors required for the structure that you get to get approved for any permits or any engineering, anything like that, and just to make sure that your building is secured and it won't go anywhere. All in all, this is a very nice building, and I know this is kind of a weird video since we can actually go to the structure itself and just show you everything that it has going on, but hopefully all the b-roll and all the drone footage that we get happens to show all the stuff that I talk about, and just gives you a nice look at what this 18 by 30 by 12 foot tall garage with a lean-to look like, and just gives you a nice look at what one of our colored roll-up doors looks like. I think that's it for me today. If you have any questions or any comments, please drop them down below. Don't forget to share and like this video, and subscribe to watch any future videos that we offer here for any buildings, garages, things of that nature. And this has been Brian with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.